Yeah, it's a little ripe, but it's brand new, man!
My plan this episode is to have Blocky and Robot Flower climb the trees to catch the baskets because they've got arms. TV will relay coordinates of basket's location.
I like Loser as much as the rest of you, but we should focus on saving ourselves a basket, or else we'll end up on the chopping block.
Guys, I can't believe you're not helping me dig! The lava's only a few feet away!
It's because it's a lost cause, Balloony.
No, hold on, you're a nail! You should have a much better chance at breaking through!
Thor deserves this treasure! Here!
Uh-oh.
Why'd you do that? We could've just waited for it to come back!
That would have been too slow!
Well, now it's gonna be even slower because you made the elevator get stuck. Get out of the way. Let me see if I can fix it.
Listen closely. Here's a little lesson in trickery. This is going down in history. If you wanna be a villain #1, you have to chase a superhero on the run. Just follow my moves and sneak around. Be careful not to make a sound. Shh! Don't touch that.
Oh my collagen, everyone is metal. I don't like it.
Wow, ice cream!
You don't care about Glimmer or any of us. You only care about tech.
Are you all mad at me?
You're seriously just realizing that? Yeah, we're mad.
You don't consider how your actions affect other people. Even people who are supposed to be your friends.
Like us! I'm not good at people, but I am good at tech. I thought maybe if I could use tech to help you, you'd like me. But I messed that up too. I'm sorry I'm bad at listening! I'm sorry I mess everything up! But you need this signal and I'm gonna get it for you!
You're still trying to get the signal?
Of course! Glimmer needs us! Oh, my ice cream! It's Rudolph's fault! Rudolph! My ice cream!
Hey, you two are free smarters. Where's the HPRC?
It got crushed.
Oh, so Pin, Needle, and Spongy are dead forever?
Yep. So are Match, Bubble, Ice Cube, Pencil, Fries, Puffball, Golf Ball, Gelatin, Fiery, Tennis Ball, and Rocky.
So we are the final 6 contestants in BFDIA. My chances of winning just tripled. Oh yeah.
So you killed yourselves and destroyed the one and only HPRC. Why am I not surprised?
Because you think we're stupid, and we're not. You're stupid, because Fiery made you.
Here's a hand-powered HPRC creator.
You mean an HPRCC? Those are my favorite.
If you turn the crank long enough, it'll create an HPRC.
How long is long enough?
It depends how hard you guys crank. It could take anywhere from a few weeks to over a month.
Oh great, how fun. I've been reduced to a cranking slave.
Weeks of cranking? That sounds exhausting!
But remember, it's for the lives of your friends.
So let's get started. If you got the most votes, you get to join my show. And you'll also get this purple tomato. Everyone got at least 200 votes.
That's good to know.
Just kidding. Rubber Spatula only got 177. No debut for you.
Can't believe it. Nobody likes me.
Don't look at it that way. Over 100 people liked you more than anyone.
You're right.
Here. Now you can tell them how thankful you are.
Oh, okay. Thank you so much, Gaming Aiden, Weber Gaming, Maurice
Hurry
U,
up.
Capsocky, Broken, _Baker Bakey, the Alpha Force, Balloons Team
I
6
said hurry up.
And Rootsy Dane. Okay.
You finished?
Yep.
Okay, bye-bye then.
Isn't Bo annoying enough?
But you promised!
Fine. I'll give you one if you just go away.
No, I worked so hard on those, especially the pink ones. They're my favorite ones.
Hey, Brave, let's get busy. Okay.
I'm not gonna lose my dignity that easily. To uphold my honor, our team must be the strongest team on Earth.
Oh, are we picking team names now? What should we use?
Isn't it obvious? Let's just be Death Pact again.
Ooh, I want to be Death Pact again too! That team name is awesome!
Ken, they're already Death Pact again. Our team name will have to be...
Are you okay?
I mean, duh, we gotta be Woe Bunch, right?
What? No, that's so stupid, Coiny. We're not Woe Bunch. We're
Hey,
the
no, Woe
Zigzag.
Bunch is a good name.
I also like
Hey now, hey, come on, stop fighting. We're teammates! Taco, do we really have to run through the desert?
That's where the basket's taking us.
But Ice Cube's starting to melt under the intense summer heat.
Tell her to grin and bear it, and take inspiration from Teardrop.
Be quiet, Dor, or else your football hair is gonna fly into your pie hole.
With Foldy gone, how are we going to reach that basket? No one here can get up there.
Turn around. Go, Puffball, get the basket.
Hey, you spilled the air out of my basket. Oh well, that's fine.
Free food is safe.
Let's be called the winners!
I'd rather not have my name in the team name, actually.
Oh, okay.
These team names are so stupid. Is it always like this?
Pretty much.
Don't worry, Taggy. As long as everyone stays careful, we aren't going to have a name like that.
Yeah, we won't.
Yeah, we're just not.
Okay, don't cry.
I'm such an idiot.
No, there. There you go.
I miss my dad.
Oh, that's deeper than I want to go.
We gotta get Teardrop to talk.
But why?
Because I see her just standing there silent for hours. I want to know what's going on inside her head.
I don't think it's worth it.
So here's our plan.
Did I not just say it wasn't worth it?
I will hold Teardrop's jaw open and you'll wiggle her vocal cords so that they make noise.
That's it. I'm leafing.
Aw, Tree doesn't seem too cool. Whoa, Ice Cube, you're there. Are you cool? Ice Cube, it's not that hard of a question. Are you cool?
Ow.
Get up, Stapy. It's time for Plan B. Every second counts, so let's hurry.
Right. Huh.
What are you two doing?
I didn't even get to take a peek before 4 caught me and boarded it up. I won't hesitate this time.
Okay, so tennis ball's gone, but we're still on track to get the basket in minimal possible time. Hey, Blocky and Robot Flower, how is the climb going?
It's good, but it would be easier if you helped. Okay, just got to the top.
Yay, I'm the first to the top.
That's not true. I was here first.
Oh shoot, Robot Flower has betrayed us. We cannot afford to suffer a second death. People, try to cushion his fall.
Oh, I'm too bouncy!
Oh, wow, Bressy, you were actually useful for once. Good job.
Growth is always useful. Wait, golf ball. The next step of your plan is getting 8-ball and basketball to weigh down the basket, right?
Yes, that's correct.
But how are you going to get them up there if Robot Flower is already at the top?
Oh, well, you see, my calculations tell you that...
What's this? What's this? The world's best strategy manager doesn't manage the strategy well?
Well, I guess we'll just use the trebuchet tennis ball build before he died.
Is this safe?
What, you had this the whole time. I didn't actually have to climb the tree.
Physical exertion builds character.
Oh, you know what else builds character?
Thanks, Bubble.
Oh, I'm angry!
Come on, Cloudy. I just know you can make it.
It's an awfully long way.
Okay, I'm tired of waiting. Hop.
Danger! Watch out! Thank you, Brain! You're welcome!
You wouldn't eat your breakfast, you wouldn't get in the shower on time, so now we're running late to school, Trevor. Just great! Mom, stop! I have to tell you something! What in the could you possibly have to say? I forgot my backpack at home! Don't hit me! Open the door, Trevor! I'm gonna kick your ass!
Hey everyone. What's going on? Microsoft Sam's here, the creator of Battle for Dream Island. I hope you all enjoyed this 8th episode. I want to tell you guys that you guys will actually have an impact in what happens in episode 9 by your ability to vote to give character immunity in every team. You have 3 teams. You got the yellow team, you got the blue team, you got the green team. You can vote for one member of each team to receive immunity, and the top vote getters in every team will be immune for being voted out in next episode. Just go to Instagram, Twitter and YouTube Shorts, scroll down to the team you want to vote on and hit that button. In the event that team loses, your votes will determine who is immune from that vote. And what if all the characters were planning to get rid of one character and you guys made them immune? Pandemonium ensues. And you guys are gonna have direct control in that. I hope you guys enjoyed episode, and we'll see you for episode 9 very soon. Take care.